Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited today. I will be taking you guys along with me to the Pottery Barn, which is my all-time favorite store. Everything from my nightstands and my primary to my bar stools in my kitchen, even the very chandelier in my dining room are all from the Pottery Barn, along with endless decor. I love this store so much, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what they have in here for the fall. Not so much the furniture and everything, but mostly fall. So guys, I hope that you are going to enjoy this as much as I enjoy bringing this information to you. And I will be showing and adding all of the links for as many items as I can possibly find in the description box below. So don't forget that if you're interested in anything. And we're starting with these really cute ceramic pumpkin candles. They are adorable and they're very well made. They're very heavy. So once you're done burning your candle, you can probably use these for years to come. They are so well made and gorgeous. Now, I also noticed on this same area that they have these beautiful Carter brass finished frames. They already have the mat in them, and I've purchased like pictures and picture frames from them rather before, and they always include two different sizes for the mat, but they're so well made. It's just really pretty. They come in a 4x6 and a 5x7, and I think they might be a larger size. They're starting at $59. Absolutely gorgeous. And I also noticed that they have some of those seagrass wrap frames over here also. Right now I'm just showing you how much these pumpkins are. They're about $89. A little steep for me, but they're absolutely beautiful. I did notice they have new collections in here, such as this inlaid like butterfly. It's so beautiful with this vase. This is absolutely gorgeous. Next to that, it's the pumpkin spice collection where they have the candles and the diffusers and even the potpourri. Guys, it smelled so good in this section. It was insane. And these are starting at about $29. This bed is absolutely beautiful. Who does not like a poster bed? But the linens, guys, the linens on this is just gorgeous. It's sort of bringing in all those textures and those warm colors for a person that's more into neutrals and just warming up the space without having a pumpkin motif on everything. These linens would be perfect, and I'm sure they're probably not reading as beautiful as they are in person. I also wanted to show you the collection of all of these beautiful linens that they have. Napkins are generally about $48 for a 4-pack, but of course you can find some that are a lot more economical, more budget friendly. And on this side they basically have a lot of the neutrals, but they're so beautiful. They are just any kind of collection that they actually have. They have the napkins to match for all of the linens, and that goes for the tablecloths and even the runners and even the throws. I know you guys probably have never heard of table throws, but they do have those, and that fez is a part of the collection of those. On the opposite side, they are showing you in the middle of all of these napkin rings that would pair well with all of those warmer toned napkins. And these are what they're featuring. Of course, they have other napkins and linens in the other area. And then on the opposite side, they have all of these warmer colors that would be indicative of autumn, like the rusts and the reds and the yellows and golds and oranges and browns and creams and taupes that are just absolutely stunning. On my way to check out this table setting, guys, I am actually shopping chairs right now, so I made a quick little stop. This is the Preston for $3.99. That's what they're starting at, and these are the dimensions, but that's just something that I'm looking for. Of course, you know, Pottery Barn has plenty of furniture, but guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it when they give you so many ideas for styling and inspiration. Right now they're featuring this something new, that is the Fez table throw, not a tablecloth, but a throw. And also they're featuring the napkins and linens that go with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And they also have the antler candle holders featured on this tablescape, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the way they always give you ideas of how to style and plenty of inspiration. Here they actually are featuring another collection, which is the Fantastical Forest Dinnerware collection. Guys, they come in either sets of 4, but you can always go all the way up to a set of 12, which a lot of people aren't aware of, instead of buying it by sets of 4 or a la carte. This is absolutely stunning. They have everything that you can think of in this dinnerware collection, and I see that they're featuring the botanical forge candle holders, which are actually new. On the opposite side, I had to show you these oversized gypsilla branches that are so pretty. It just says, "Hi, fall is here." They also have the other collection, the Bedford Harvest collection. I noticed that they added in some of that botanical harvest, and it's sort of mixed in, but I guess it's because they pair really well. But this collection is stunning, from the runners to everything you can think of. I even love the glassware and the stems that they paired with this, along with everything from bowls to dinner plates to salad plates. It's just trays, you name it, it's all there. I also wanted to take you over to a peek at the Halloween shop. Of course, you can mix and match items for the kiddos or people that are young at heart. And guys, of course, they'll have a lot more of this online, but I will say that they had everything from the entryway to pillows to decor, even tabletop and bar. Guys, just amazing. And it's fun to bring these items into the home for the kiddos, or like I said, if you're young at heart. While I was checking out some more of these stems, I love how they have them already in some urns and pottery, just giving you an idea again of inspiration, just bringing in these stems and maybe adding them to things that you already have, which is really give yourself a refresh, but you're not breaking the bank, and I absolutely love that. They do a really good job on their stems and all their florals in general. While I was in this section, I did notice that they have these glossy green pumpkins. They are so pretty in person. Oh my goodness. There's this really pretty olivey, sagey, just gorgeous color. They're so substantial in weight when you pick them up. They're starting at $24.50, and they are gorgeous. In this section, they also had some flameless candles. These are the salt-washed flameless candles. There are so many different sizes, anything that you can think of that you would need them for, such as lanterns or maybe a centerpiece or vignettes. Perfect for all of those. I also noticed these botanical forge lanterns. I've never seen these. Comment below if you've seen these before. Absolutely stunning, and they already have the hurricane in them. Oh, by the way, guys, pillows. Right now, it's the 24th of August. All of the pillows have free shipping right now, and guys, these colors are gorgeous. I love the textured ones and the ones that have just velvet, or they also have some of the cozy teddy fur ones. I think those are like $59. But then they also have some of those pillows that have the patterns on them and all of the texture that they're bringing in. I love textured textiles. They just always just sort of bring in warm and welcoming atmosphere for this time of year. And this boucle is absolutely gorgeous. On the other side, they had the most beautiful baskets weave suede pillows. Now they were a little steep, they're about $99, but this is something that you would have for the rest of your life. They are stunning. And it'll be perfect to bring out when it starts getting a little bit colder. They also have these rain cot pillows. I saw these last year, and guys, they are so pretty in person. These are about $99 also. Ugh, a little steep, but yeah, absolutely stunning. And other suede pillows in different tones, just beautiful. I also saw this I think it's the Aurelius or something, embroidery pillow. I had to give you a close-up of that beautiful aubergine color with that creamy embroidery. It's so pretty. And then they have suede pillows in the same tone. Just so pretty, guys. Here I saw the Palermo pots. I think they're Palermo cachet pots. These vases are in either black, or they do have some in sort of a neutral tone or artisan tone, and also white. Just so pretty. And right below these were the viral terracotta jack-o'-lanterns that everybody loves. They are really pretty and so cute, and just, I don't know, just so stinking cute in person. These are starting, I think, at $29.50 for the smallest one. But they're so cute, and then they have them in such a larger size. And the way they're made, you can put these outside or have them inside. I just love them. I'm just going to show you the bottom of it, where you would put your candle or your lights in. Just so pretty. These not only come in this black color, but they also come in other tones too, like this natural or sort of artisan, like lighter color. So pretty. And of course the Palermo vases also that would pair with them. This tone is so pretty. And then they also have, of course, this terracotta color, which is so pretty. And they are so stocked with so many of these right now, but you can also purchase them online, of course. But so cute. I also saw these eclectic woven pumpkins. These are like small, medium, and large. And I think these were starting around $34, maybe a little bit over that, but so cute. And if they had these last year, I really didn't recognize them. That's the medium one. They have a large one, and then they also have the smallest one. And I just wanted to take you over to this console table to show you how cute these really are. Just so cute. And it's giving you an idea of inspiration and styling them. In between that, you see it's the, what do they call that? I think it's called the French design or something. But here I'm just showing you all of the linens that they have available. Everything that you would need for entertaining, including cutting boards and bowls. Perfect for bringing in warmth this time of year for just yourself or for entertaining. Of course, they have these cute little pillows. These are the cozy pumpkin pillows, and these are actually on sale right now. So I guess if it's on sale and it's free shipping right now, then that would be great. And then they also have, I think these are sort of like a French glazed pumpkin collection. I think this is new also. But like I said, I will leave as many of the links for these items below. And guys, also don't forget to check out this DIY built-ins that me and my hubby did. They came out so amazing and beautiful. I will leave the link for that and the video of how we created our fireplace also in the description box below. So don't forget to check those out. I hope you like this go shop with me for the fall. And I hope you're able to get out and get some items while they're still in stock. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell twice when you subscribe. I will see you in the next video. And guys, I want to thank you all for watching.